Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel and welcome to all that are new to my channel. I'm just going to be sketching for you guys today. I'm going to be using my very own brush, my raw sketch pencil, and this is a part of my brush set that I have available on my Patreon. So that's what I'll be using today. And yeah, so let's just get right into it, you guys. So recently I have been working on just trying to figure out what works best for me when it comes to my artwork. And basically, recently I was working on this one piece and I feel like I was challenging myself, which is, a great thing. It's always good to challenge yourself. But it got to a point where I was like working on it so much and like overthinking it and just like stressing out about it because the challenge was just a little bit too much for me. And I just was basically kind of pressuring myself to finish the piece instead of remembering to have fun. And that's one of the biggest things that I think is so important when I'm doing my artwork, or when any of us are doing our artwork, is just to remember to have fun. And, as I'm on this new journey, like this new art journey of just, getting back to the love of my art and just really doing it because for the love of it, not because I'm trying to keep up with the algorithm or to impress others. You know what I'm saying? It's just strictly for the love of it. And that's what I've just been working on getting back to. And recently I was led to this scripture, and I was led to a little excerpt by Joyce Meyer that's in my Bible. And basically, it just reminded me to seek peace and pursue it. And this is that verse that I mentioned in my previous video. And seek peace and pursue it has been literally like my verse of the year. Like that's my verse of this whole year, is just seeking peace and pursuing it. And it made me realize that the piece that I was working on currently, well, before this one, I was getting to a point where I was so stressed out that I was not seeking peace. I was literally stressing myself out for no reason. And I think it just came to a point where I had to realize that, I need to stop trying to make a full-on Disney production with my artwork, because I feel like I mean, obviously I have these big visions in my head and all these things that I really want to do, but I can't stress myself over it. I can't like be so hard on myself, because I think it had got to a point where I was just really trying to push my art to that next level, when I just need to have fun and I need to just enjoy it. And I think that is so important, because that's how it was for me in the beginning. I was doing it because I simply enjoyed it, because I was having fun. I was having fun and I just loved it. And I think for me, like, I would just be hard on myself just because maybe I'd be just drawing a character and there'd be no background. Maybe I wouldn't even color it, and I would get hard on myself, like, because there's no color, there's no background. And so like I would be like getting hard on myself, like, oh, I gotta add more, I gotta do more. But sometimes in that moment, maybe that in that moment you're just supposed to draw that character, that one character with a simple background, or maybe even no color at all, just because that's what you're supposed to be doing in that moment. I think there's always a time and a place for everything. There's even a scripture in the Bible that mentions there's a time and a place for everything too. So it's okay, you know what I'm saying, to, be working on a piece of artwork and it's simple. It's okay to have simple artwork. It's okay for it to not be a full-on Disney production, because I really think I put that standard for myself to get to, which is not a bad thing. But at the end of the day, I don't want to stress myself out. I want to genuinely just enjoy what I'm doing and have fun, not try to fit in with what everybody else is doing, or anything else that I see, or what other art that I see other people doing. Like, I just need to have fun with what God has given me. I need to enjoy my talent, enjoy the talent that I have, and just have fun. Like, literally, like, I think we all need to remember this at some point or another, to remember to have fun, to not stress ourselves out, giving ourselves more than what we can handle, and just enjoying the process. Because you'll get there, eventually, when you just continue to just create, do what you can in the moment, and just keep creating. You will get to that point where you will have that full on Disney production. You will have that full colored picture with the background and everything. You will get to that point. And it's okay to not always have that 24/7, and I just had to learn that, like, it's okay. Like, I don't have to have a full on picture done or full on fully rendered colored picture every day. You know what I mean? And so I just think that this was like important for me to remember, and also maybe to, help to remind you as well. Because I feel like when it comes to us as artists, like if you're an artist or with whatever you do, if you find yourself, being a perfectionist, perfectionism, it's not, it doesn't exist. There's always room for improvement. There's always gonna be an area where we, can see where we can or need to improve in. So yeah, I just had to let go of that perfectionism mindset and just let go and let God and just really seek that peace. And for me, the peace for me was, stepping back from that peace that I was working on before, the peace that I was telling you guys about, that I was challenging myself with, and just to draw and have fun with it. I found this reference picture of this beautiful girl. If you guys know who this model is, you can comment down below, because I don't have her name, but I saw this picture and then I imagined in my head how she would look in my style, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I see this vision, so let me draw it. And that was me seeking my peace, just me drawing what I'm feeling in the moment, because that's what I used to do all the time, just drawing what I'm feeling. And if I'm not feeling it in the middle of the process of it, then I'll move to something else, and I can always come back to it. But it's important for me to really enjoy it and just have fun and really get myself into that art zone. So if you're, struggling with, trying to figure out how to improve your art, or, just you're trying to make it, this amazing, like full on art piece, like, don't beat yourself up. Don't be hard on yourself. It's okay to start small and just continue to just create and go from there, because you will get to the place that you see in your head. Like, you have this big vision and this idea of what you want, but it seems like you're not getting it yet. You know what I'm saying? And that's okay. Like, just continue to do what you can. It's so important to do with what you can now, and just be at peace and be content with that, and just continue to work on it, and just continue to create, and you will get to that place you want to be. So that's something that I had to just tell myself, like, it's okay to not finish a piece at that very moment, for it to be a little bit challenging, and you just need to come back to it later. That's okay. So that was just my little, I guess, my other testimony, I guess you could say. And just my confirmation of seeking peace and pursuing it. Just really realizing that if you're feeling stressed out, it's not for you. But if you're feeling peace, then it's for you. So that's like literally how I go about my daily choices. Like, that's what helps me. If like there's a situation where I'm not feeling peace, then I'm just not going to do it. But if I'm feeling peace with the situation, then I'm going to continue on and pull through it. So yeah, that's just my little testimony right there. But I'm going to continue on letting you guys watch this process and enjoy this process. And I hope that this message was able to inspire you today, to remind you to not beat yourself up in whatever you're doing, to be kind to yourself, and to be patient, and to just enjoy where you are at. And don't worry about where everybody else is at in life, or anybody else's growth in their art or whatever they're doing. Just focus on you and enjoy your process, because your process is super unique and it's just special in its own way. And God has his own amazing, beautiful plan for your story and your life. And you are exactly where you need to be. So yeah, just remember that you are fine. You are just fine. You're doing great, and just continue to be yourself and have fun. Don't forget to have fun. Don't worry about trying to make your art this full-on Disney production. That's literally what I tell myself. Like, don't worry about trying to make your art like this full-on Disney production. Just have fun with what you can do now, and eventually you'll get there. Just continue to draw, be consistent, and just drawing and having fun with it, and you'll get to where you want to be. So yeah, that's just my little message today. I hope that it could help you. And yeah, make sure you leave a comment down below. And also, if you guys are interested in seeing this video in real time, which I'll be posting it on my Patreon, and I have monthly tutorials that I post, and a full-on brush set. My full-on brush set is available on my Patreon right now. And yeah, you guys, so go ahead and check that out. It's patreon.com/Rawsueshii. And thank you to everyone who has already joined my Patreon. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the support. It is helping to just grow my art business and just my art career even more. So I just really appreciate it. And I appreciate all of you guys, even if you don't join, for just watching my videos and just being a supporter of me, following me on Instagram at Rawsueshii or TikTok at Rawsueshii Official. I just appreciate your full-on support, you guys, and just supporting me with no matter what it is that I do. It means the world to me. It means so much to me, you guys. And just seeing your positive comments, it just really lights up my day. And I just thank God for such an amazing following and supporters like you all. My goodness, you guys have really helped me to grow, and just have helped me to just keep going, and just to be excited about what God has in store, and just to see where my art is going to go next. So I'm so thankful for you guys, and I cannot wait to just continue to share with you all more of what's to come. So yeah, you guys, go ahead and enjoy watching the rest of this video, and if I have anything else to say, I'll come back. But yeah, you guys. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention one little thing. If you guys are interested, the app that I'm using to the left for the reference is called VizRef. So you can have it open while you are using Procreate or any other art program that you're using on your iPad. And yeah, it'll be just right there next to the screen. So that's what I'm using, VizRef. And I think it's $1.99 on the Apple Store, or 99 cents. I don't know. They might have changed the price, or it might be free now. I don't know. But yeah, you guys can check that out. So just wanted to let you guys know that. And yeah, I'll see you all in the outro. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the final piece. Yes, you guys, I'm probably gonna be coloring it later, but like I said, I was just having fun, and I really enjoyed the sketching process. And I even just like just keeping those rough sketch lines in there, like some of them, and it just really gives like a nice dynamic and just look to the image. So yeah, you guys, I really hope that you all enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed drawing it, and I cannot wait to share with you all more. Like I said, if you all are interested in seeing this drawing process in real time, go ahead and check out my Patreon at patreon.com/Rawsueshii, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at Rawsueshii and TikTok at Rawsueshii Official. Also, you guys, what did you all think about the new captions that I added at the bottom of the video? Let me know if you guys like that. I just wanted to try something new to see if you all liked it, and if not, then we can easily just take it away. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you all think about that. And leave me a comment down below just in general. You guys know I love hearing from you all. So yeah, you guys, I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye.